hold your 2 ears.
Yes, ma'am.
And listen attentively.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't want to see or hear that you give my food to this idiot ever again till further notice. Yes,
Come on, food. Just forgive him. Say he's already showing signs of remorse. Just forgive him, please. Please, I beg you.
Derek.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you mad?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Stay away from this.
I was just
I say stay away from this. I don't want to get angry with you.
Okay, ma. Okay. I will die. I will die. I will die.
Stop making noise.
Yes, ma.
Madam.
Yes, ma.
White rice is not almost done. She make I put salt and the ingredients.
Yes, ma.
No. Add the two.
Yes, ma.
We still have Happy, right?
Oh, yeah.
Add the two.
Okay, ma.
You can also add Isa.
Yes, ma.
Add cosmetics.
Yes, ma.
You have foundation?
Yes.
Add it.
Oh.
Add concealer.
Yes, ma.
You can as well add your lipstick.
Yes, ma.
Then use your powder brush and turn it.
Yes.
Yes,
Bunch of fools.
Yes, ma. I will die. I don't get Papa.
I said, calm down. I will talk to her now.
Yes, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
I'm the one talking to you.
Okay, sir.
Better. She was angry. She was mad. And you, don't try that next time.
Thank you, sir.
Do you hear me?
God bless you, sir. In fact, from today, anyone that you touch must get better for you. Jesus.
Keep quiet. What's your problem?
Yes,
Are you mad?
yes, ma.
What do you mean by that? What kind of nonsense prayer is that?
Oh my God,
Just go. Get out. Get away from here.
please, sir. We don't take time, I beg. We don't take time, I will just die.
Okay. I will talk to her. Just go about your duties. Go. Get out.
Yes, sir. Be fast about it. Oh.
Since that the way we start work here, no only this one uniform and with the way. We suppose they change clothes. Come, I don't want some me no come like say, okay, madam, then they stingy you.
Suppose they change clothes. You come burial. Ibrahim iri tabula loz iri ga church. Suppose they change uniform. For nonsense.
No wahala. Madam, come over by the side, we go talk am. Wait oh, she na true say madam won't go sanctuary.
Say again. Maybe only sanctuary. Madam won't jump into mortuary. She won't go mortuary to rest in peace. See your life. Come on, English in like this, you know sabi speak. Ordinary seminarian where madam won't go, now you can't call her sanctuary. Which connection does seminarian has with sanctuary? Just the talk nonsense. And I don't tell you, learn from me for once. Learn from me where be say English now. My papa speak English, so they die. English, they run for our blood. Go. Go to my village and ask. What's pious?
You!
Ha!
That's the way they spark for here. I way they spoke. That's not English.
Just because I can't find my level within the level of people who know Sabia. I say make a day equal with una level. If I bring out things where they inside me, woo! Forget it too. That one when you talk safe, no be and they disturb me here. I get very big problem. And they man not want for them. I know they play with my stomach. I never work. That one be my problem now.
What you concern me with what you talk? What you concern me with that one? I beg, moment Tyler. I know what you talk. Moment.
Nebuchadnezzar. Nebuchadnezzar, you don't start oh. You don't start oh. I don't want you anytime when me and you dey talk, you go dey speak all this your local Chinese language. No they use and play with me oh. But then of course they cost me a wait. I don't know. Stop am oh. If I start my own, you no go like am oh. I get other languages where they inside me. If I bring am one light, a life. If I bring am, Zakachu war tarapa.
Serious now, you don't bring out another one now. Now you the face they bring grammar with me, I don't understand. Which one be say walai or tralai? What did you say now? Repeat that thing again. Repeat that thing again now, or?
You guys are okay.
Oga.
Yeah.
Yeah, that question where you ask whether we do okay. We do okay, man. Personal me, I know they okay. I know they okay. My mind no they okay at all.
What is the problem?
Yes, ma. Sir, okay. Oh, now your mama. Oh.
Now your mama, she don't start again. She don't block another way for me. Say no food, no this, no that. That's what she don't shout. Since morning, nothing no enter my mouth. Not even water. Don't swallow spit, swallow. So the whole spit where my mouth don't dry. Nelo zubi nelo ulunkate ofonkate mlojonkolo. No wait now. I be only son. No, my mama, my papa don't die. If I die now, who go replenish my family lineage? It's okay. It's okay. Where is she? I don't feel talk, but as we dey here from her toilet, I dey hear water from the pipe. They do maybe she don't dey offload.
Keep quiet.
Yes, ma.
The only toilet you only will hear. Okay, no problem. Here. Clean the interiors of this car. It's very dirty.
Yes, sir.
After that, go and buy something for yourself.
Thank you, sir.
All right?
Hey, Mekanaya.
Be careful. Let's go.
Thank you, sir. Oh, thank you, sir. God bless you, sir. Oh, Izibonwa. Eh? Why you didn't naya? But Jesus will make a naya. Why you didn't naya? But Jesus will make a naya. Yeah.
Pious. Guy, you carry PhD for lie, you. Hey! Pious!
And you, what do you carry?
Eh?
You carry POP for talking waiting no concern you. I carry PhD, you carry POP for waiting no concern you.
Pious! I dey here now, no be you swallow the whole apple wey dey for here. You go dey tell Oga say you never chop anything since morning.
Waiting I chop. That's why I test na chop. You know no difference between Don't you know the difference between to test something than say this one na your portion. You don't know what that one mean. You tell me say I lie.
I agree. Make that one dey different, eh? Pious, no be the same day when me I start this work, now you to start this work. Who is they take no Oga, Papa? Now you don't dey pray. May God bless him, Papa. May God do. Who is they take no, Papa?
Wetin concern you? If pikin no resemble mama, you no resemble papa. Who you go resemble? Since when you come here, you don't see the mama finish. You don't see the character. You don't see and say she be happy. Why you chana bazan? She have POD. Nibu madon piam on o plus salary piam obu elegon piam she piam bola anya na emi ote pam. Okokocha makuku. As you don't see the woman finish, she say the character of the son no go close to the character of the woman. Who else you go boy? No be me, Papa. I be go boy nanaga. Now your papa in resemble. Don't talk am, sir. Don't talk am.
Okay. Now you talk enough your head, now you go day. Not take concern me for that one, no. My job is very important for my head. My guy, I'm not going to share. There is love in sharing. I beg, you know, say since morning I never chop. Just put time for pocket, find me something. Even if not 500 naira, may you just give me. I beg. No see me and 5 and 6. When I got the capano, because give me BC road to now. No small money, I beg you now.
I should give you 500. No, there is love in sharing. There is also peace in having your own. There is peace when we say if you have your own, you go there in peace. This one, and we name the peace. Obiole maga can you 500? Agama maga can I lili na gote. Fokuta but where they take bury your papa. Will you take piaga ni so take piasa brain? All this your chon. Give someone wants to go and rest in peace.
Pious.
Stupid thing.
Pious. Nothing me say you dey wicked though.
You don't know before. My grandpapa name na wickedness.
Pious.
If I give you piakam, call me Bascal.
I'm not they cry why I cry. They were your father. I'm not they cry why I cry. They were your father. But I Pious. Nothing me say you dey wicked though. Nothing me say you dey wicked though, Pious. Oh, the whole cry why I cry. Not the way your father. You know if you get pity money to pity for me, you want 500 naira. 500 naira, let me give me.
Can't cry. What I call you even they had it.
Pious, this is not fair. Pious, this is not fair.
You need to see her. Everything perfect. Don't worry, she'll get it for you. Everything perfect. You need to see the shape. You need to see this girl. Don't worry.
Do you know you baffle me? You keep surprising me every day. What do you mean if I see the girl, the shape and everything? What do you mean by that? So, like this now, so near. You're so near. She don't become Old Testament.
James, you know you're my friend.
I'm listening.
Don't let me hear you quarrel. I don't joke with Sonia. You see Sonia? She is the queen of all of them. I don't joke with her. You understand? It's just that I'm gonna work harder and no forever. Work harder and no forever. You need to keep trying. You know that song that I'm telling you. You will keep trying until one day it will click. Once it clicks, then you're lucky and you get the perfect match for that your missing rib. Yes.
Derek.
Don't worry. The girl will soon come. It's just that waiting for my mom to go out. Waiting for her to shift. Then she will come. Let me enjoy the loneliness of the whole house. Two of us alone.
Like your mom, she's traveling anytime soon?
Of course. She's going on a business seminar and I think she's traveling today or tomorrow. I don't want to ask her. Because if I ask her, she'll start nosing around and I'll find out that something is fishing. So I want to enjoy the loneliness of this whole compound I'm building alone with her.
D. Ronaldo.
You'll see it now.
Derek.
You know what?
D. Ronaldo.
Yeah.
Well, that's your life. Enjoy your life.
Yeah.
Derek, you are enjoying yourself. So where's my drink? Oh, I made an order.
I'm sorry. I forgot. You know this our girls matter. You come. Caro.
Small Oga.
You come here.
Yes, Oga.
Yeah, so don't worry. I have plans for.
Christ.
What is this?
Oga, now you heard that be this.
I heard that with this. What's the meaning of this?
Oga, He say he want sparkling fruit wine. So I can't cut cucumber, banana and watermelon, come put them inside. I can't go carry that wine when I give you the other day. Come put am, the thing no sparkle, reach. So I can't enter kitchen, no groundnut oil. I can't quickly carry red oil, pour for frying pan. Come put am for fire, the thing can't do shh. I can't pour am here, so the thing can't sparkle.
Carol, are you stupid? No, sir. Carol, are you mad? No, sir. Sparkling fruit wine! Sparkling fruit wine! It's in a bottle! Not this! Not groundnut oil!
Okay, the thing no sparkle well. I might go carry the one where it's still remain for frying pan. I can't pour am.
Carol, get out.
Oh, thank you, sir.
It's nonsense! Don't be stupid!
Sorry, sir.
Hey! As big as she is.
What kind of fools did you employ in this house?
Attention, all of you. I will be traveling very early tomorrow. And I want you people to focus and consistently consistent. What did I say?
Consequences, consequences.
Which kind of nonsense be that one? We're not getting respect. We're on our house day. Just small thing, she never come out. Conji down the whole 12. What you concern this thing which she dey talk here? Eh? What can you make conji? Can why you make conji? I'm not more conji.
Fires.
Not. Yes, ma'am. Imagine.
I'm still talking.
Yes, ma'am.
As I was saying before I got interrupted, I don't want to receive any complaint from my children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Else, that person got himself or herself sacked even before my return.
Yes, ma'am.
And no matter what happens between you guys, do not fight.
Yes, ma'am.
I said do not fight.
Yes, ma'am.
Control yourselves. When I come back, I promise to handle it in total.
No, you're with him, madam. Talk.
What is she talk?
And they go to they call ear disasters. I cannot hear what she said. Did you hear what she said?
I don't hear anything. What did she talk? What you do? What did she talk?
Madam, that thing where you talk, I know if you pronounce something, maybe for my mouth too.
Udu.
You mean in total?
Udu.
Yes, madam.
What is wrong with this idiot?
Sorry, madam.
Fool.
Yes, madam. That's what she did.
Now, go back to your stations. Yes. Now, go back to your stations.
Yes, madam.
Idiots.
Yes, madam.
Big for nothing.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't even know why I'm paying you people. Carol!
Alright, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray!